welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time, guys, it's none other than the number 61. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below here it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 61 in the collection. If you would like to see the previous 60, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, here you have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. Make sure to stay tuned for that, guys. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. Let's just open this up. And here it talks about the kitchen of Tregear Manor. There we go, we have it in focus there. I absolutely love that in this collection it shows you old historical dollhouses. And it walks you through piece by piece of these just absolutely intricate creations that have been preserved. It's just beautiful. Here you have piece for piece exactly each part of the dollhouse that I just showed you. The one that was over here. And well, let's continue on. Here you can see more up-close pictures of the dollhouse. And here, guys, it shows you how to make a personalized blanket. It tells you all of the different pieces that you'll need. And it also shows you how to connect this wooden piece that we got. You can see that it shows you that there. And then as you turn the page, guys, it walks you through how to make this blanket for your bed. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once I unbox the entire collection, guys, I will walk you through how to do each and every one of these projects. So make sure to stay tuned, make sure to hit the red subscribe button, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this dollhouse, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it just talks about some of the traditional chairs. And here it talks about a classic, Around the World in 80 Days. Classic literature from that era. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here you on the back you just have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat, as I said before. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our new additions to our dollhouse. Alright guys, so first up we have this little wooden piece. There you can see all the sides. We haven't gotten a piece quite like this one yet. So this is the first of its kind. Here, just a second, let me get it in focus. There we go. Sorry guys for the drilling in the background. We have a building being built like literally next door, and they choose to build at all hours of the day and night to start construction, because why not? But well, little life annoyances, right? I guess you guys can relate if you live in a big city. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this down, this like wooden piece, and now it's time to check out our new porcelain pieces as well. You have like a cup, and then you have these two like serving plates. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open these now. And there we go. Very cool. Okay guys, so first up we have this blue glass. It looks really cool. It's kind of see-through. I really like it. There's the top, if you can see. Oh, you can kind of see the table underneath, which is cool. You can see my fingers there. And then here's the bottom. You can see my fingers kind of again. And okay, now let's continue on. Then we have this really pretty blue and white porcelain plate, which has this really nice flower in the middle with vines coming off of it, and this like blue edging around it. I really like it. I think it's cool. And on the back side it's just white. And again guys, the plates are porcelain again. And then last but certainly not least, we have this really nice porcelain white plate with these like yellow and pink flowers all the way around it, and with a gold or like silverish edging around it on the ends. Really like it. It's really pretty. And then on the back it's just white. I really like it. I think it's really cute. I'm just gonna put it back there. And well guys, tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me which is your favorite. Do you like the glass, the blue and white plate, or this little plate with the yellow and pink flowers the best? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing what you guys think. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below I also have links to all of my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that linked down below, so make sure to go on over and follow me on all of those. I hope to see you guys on there. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, you know. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.